Out from underneath the hole, going to get some tools. Found an RIPTAPE rip to the tape E. I've been looking for that thing for months. We got stuff to do. Hit the like, follow along. Let's get after it. This roller that drives this metal detector belt, which obviously is not detecting any metal at the moment, is getting into my frame. Bearing broke off, this whole thing is slid over, which has got my belts all out of line. So what we're gonna have to do, not only change that bearing over there, we're gonna have to somehow figure out how to push this big gargantuous whole roller over, which I think we can figure out. See if he can do it. Ingenuity. Let's not let the wrench slip and blow his kneecap out. So this is a pretty simple system. Got a pusher bolt tied into this little fixture that slides on this mount. You got one on each side. Break your bolts loose, use your pusher bolt to push it one way or pull it to tighten it. Push it to loosen, pull it to tighten. Could use an impact, but we're taking it back today. No electronic tools allowed, right? Notice anything in this picture here? Evidence. Got evidence that this sap sucker's been changed, because there's another bearing. It's blowed out. Last guy obviously did too good of a job, because this one broke too. He's like how they try to trick you. Amcan, A-M-C-A-N, almost like it says America. It's Chinese shit's what we're getting to. Can't afford that good high quality stuff. I could hold that for you, I reckon.
No.
You're pretty brave, wasn't it? Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, dude, you trust your hammering skills way more than I do, partner. I can promise you that. Now we just need that liquid fire, aka inspiration. I'll take over that. Definitely been greased. No shit, okay? Damn. Milwaukee. We ain't using the Harbor Freight today. Oh, nice bat. What the hell's wrong with you?
$15 instead of $150.
How do you know that was possible? Well, I'll be dipped. I'll be dipped. That one loosened up. Thing's got Allen screws in it, and obviously got to have those pulled in, otherwise they will not go on. Give you all a little scientific stuff here. Old metal's full of molecules, so the hotter you get, the molecules open up, which expand the metal. The cooler it is, the molecules close on back up and shrink on back down.
We can always go get a beer and just wait on it to cool.
I'm good with that, as long as it's one of them Yinglings. We still on the, I'm trying to think of the word, Charlie. What's the word?
Boycott.
We're still on the boycott. It's payday today.
You want it done, you want it done right.
We want it done right, Charlie. I didn't mean to offend you now. Oh, that's just lovely. Halfway and stops.
Well, that was your weld.
Now, you should have been you with the grinder. What the hell, Jimmy? Now you're never going to have to break that one off to get it off. You missed a spot on the weld where I welded. I figured out that where I welded it, he obviously didn't grind it good enough.
At the time, I couldn't run my fingers over it to see.
I figured it out. So, got Charlie a pry bar, see if he can get this bearing over. Holy shit!
The whole thing moved about an inch. So we no longer have to move it.
Man, this whole time we could have just loosened the belt the first time and done that. We were gonna have to hook a come along up to here and weld an eyelet on the end of that.
That bearing was froze up on it.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Close enough.
Yeah, she's off. Well, dude, with the hard part's over with, we got our whole roller centered over. See how much gap we got now. Oh my gosh.
Push it back a little bit.
Oh, you can see before.
Actually, let me look at the pulleys over here.
This whole sap sucker was rubbing on this piece of metal. Like I said, had my pulleys out there. I mean, we moved it an inch.
Perfect.
Perfect?
Yep.
I tell you, we came out here beginning of the week and fought this sap sucker for an hour and a half. We came out here beginning of the week, we fought the sap sucker for an hour and a half. We've been here for about 30 minutes and we've already damn near got this job done. Unbelievable. It'd be like that sometimes. Oh, goodness gracious, my ass crack just caught a bolt. Shit.
It'd be a shame if the camera caught your ass crack.
Yeah, I know. We edit all that out, right? Is it gonna slide on?
It might still be a little snug.
Well, we'll just hit the living crap out of it till it goes, okay? Tommy is not here, nor is Philip. The cane gang is gone. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Oh God, that scared me for a second. Come on, man. You're inching. Oh.
Now when these blow up, that's when it hurts.
Oh yeah. You've had, I think I remember actually one time, one sticking in the arm or something like that, or was it the
One in
face?
the arm and one in the finger.
Yeah, I thought so. I think one of those I may have been.
I was trying to tough it out and finish the job and Tommy, you need to go to the office, you need a Band-Aid.
Hey, I'm a winner of Band-Aids. Always got one on me, somewhere. We'll fast forward this, about 20 minutes and 500 swings later. I believe you done it, Charlie. I believe you done it.
You know what wasn't done?
Oh, don't you freaking tell me. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. You gotta be fucking, you gotta be kidding me right now. Oh my Christ. I wonder if I can just slot this fucker and just...
I would. Cut it in half right there.
Cut it in half, or would you just put a slot on one side and slide it over?
Either way.
Gosh, man, ain't that some shit.
That would be the easy thing, just slot one side and drop it over it.
Dude, if the cane gang would have seen this, oh my Christ. Oh my Lord, that would have been bad.
We don't have to worry about it because they can only walk around so long.
I'm gonna try to tackle this, but I got a feeling I'm just gonna slot this. This plate goes in between the mount and it just kind of works as like a slider deal. Sandwiches itself in there. Slide this on over, drop it right on. Get the housing straightened up. Oh yeah, damn. It's almost too easy. Honestly, it looks pretty good if I can find all the bolts. And a glove. I ain't touching that hot sucker. I can guarantee that now. All 4 bolts are inserted and started. And I ain't using that damn wrench, okay? I don't care what you call me. I'm 32 years old. You use a wrench, that means I'm smarter than you. I'm getting an impacting. Okay. Just as I suspected, the impact is just... It's a magician. It disappeared. Let's get through here without breaking our back or necks would be kind of ideal here. Can't see yourself though. All right, let's get on down. Oh yeah. We're not going to tighten these all the way because we still got to adjust our belt. But we'll get them fairly snug so we can take the old along of the come along off. That didn't come out right. Let's see, get our socket on there. Little snuggie. A little snuggie. Don't need this aggravating sap sucker in here now. Yeah. Now we'll hit these pullers. He broke this loose. He pretty well left it in the same spot, so we know to go back to at least that. If you look at this belt, we haven't moved the belt over. It's tracking to this side. See how close you are on this wall? See how far you are over there? So we know we can tighten this side a little bit more to kind of track it back to center. You see I'm talking about where the roller was actually digging into the metal. I mean, there's no telling how long it was doing that. You never find something not to work on this sawmill. Yep, same thing. So let's do this twice. But now we're good. Got plenty of space through it. I can put my fingers through there. Belts are extremely lined up. Very nice. Tighten these all the way up. We could just tighten those up, maybe even take a little punch and ding it right there so it doesn't move. We're gonna take an old 6011 from heaven, throw an old caterpillar crawl, couple of those on there, and that should keep this whole shaft from moving. What you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Close your eyes now. I'm serious now. They still looking? You got their eyes closed?
Yeah, they're closed.
For those of you that have not had your eyes burned from welding, God bless you, brother. It hurts like hell. It's almost like having sandpaper. Somebody's got your eyelids squeezing. They're just going. Give her a little snuggy snug.
Get your hat, Thomas.
Getting her all nice and moist. Son of a gun burns down. It ain't because of us. See how much she shifts over. So far, she's running pretty center. Anytime you're tracking a belt, you gotta let this thing make a complete rotation before you see any sort of difference. If you push it, you're not going to see it right away until that thing about goes one time around. Job well done. Well, we're all done here. It's 5:30. The crew's getting out of here. All the hard working men. If y'all haven't already, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and God bless, and keep on keeping on. Got anything you want to add to that?
You're closed, sir.
Thanks, sir. Peace. What kind of saw teeth do you recommend for all the circle sawyers out there? What kind of saw teeth do you like?
They ain't but one saw teeth, a steel teeth, that's Sawmill. Nobody else makes it.
What size blade do you like?
I like a small blade with 2.5. Well, I have a lot of teeth to it, but on bigger blades, I like a F style, 56. But on small blades, 50 inch. I run a 50 inch with 2.5, 54 teeth. I like a stand-all bit. So the stand-all bit will shed the dust, and you don't have to worry about your lock being wore out.
That's from how many years you been doing this?
Oh, going on 50, and I come from the Simon Short day, and they were fast, but I had no sawyer one time. I had a lot of saws laying up against the wall. He said, you put in stand-all bits, you run all them saws. And I put in stand-all bits and did run all the saws. So I tell you, with stand-all bits, they shed the dust. They pull a little harder than a Simon Short. Most people run F-style saws now, and bigger saws are F-tools easier. That's in hardwood. I come from the fast pine mill day.
Come from a genuine sawmill professional with a
I come from the day when a lot of people run solid tooth saw with 84 teeth in it, just see how fast they could go through it. And but we always run a Simon with a 2.5 short, Simon Short.
You got a professional sawman and a professional. What you call yourself, Phil?
I'm an engineer with no degree.
That's the cane gang, the sawyer and the engineer.
One more thing, on a carbide bit, I favor the Piper, even though it's got a Simon shank, but other people argue with it. But on a carbide, I favor the Piper. That's just my personal opinion. You can ask Charlie, he files. Which you favor, Charlie? The Piper or the Simon on the carbide bit?
I guess the correct answer, you want a Simon.